Alright guys, welcome back to this month's stock portfolio update on my public.com account. As always, if you'd like to catch up with what's been going on, go ahead and check out my playlist on my channel where you can catch up on those previous videos. Before we get started, if you'd like to start investing like me, go ahead and use the link in the description to set up your account on public.com, where you'll get a free fractional share and you'll also be able to find my account and see what stocks I'm holding. All right, so let's get started. As you can see on my account right now, I have $3,608.54. I'm currently down an all-time of 10.10%, which is $105.40. And that is actually better than it was last time, because last time I was down 12.91% or $517.88. At this time, I have a current cash value of $29.93, which has all been paid back through dividends. And as always, as you guys already know, I add $300 every single month. So that's exactly what I'll be doing right now. So I'm going to hit deposit. I'm going to do a different amount, $300. Next, confirm. And there we go. Make sure you have at least $300 in your bank account. And while we're transferring your deposit, we upgraded your buying power to $300 so I can immediately start investing. Okay, now you can see that my account is holding $329.93, which I can invest. And before we do that, I'm gonna just show you what my account holds. So right now we have all of these different types of stocks. Most of them are dividend stocks. Most of them are monthly paying dividend stocks. And so here you go, you can just take a look. And you can see that my largest holding right now is RYLD, which has been paying out pretty nicely. So with that, I will now invest in one of these. And today I just want to do JEPI. JEPI has been doing pretty amazing as well. So I'm going to do trade, buy, 329. We'll do next and submit. And there we go. I just finished that transaction, and now if we go back, we'll see that my account is now at $753.76 for JEPI. Now, if you want to see my all-time for each of these, you can see that a lot of them are down. We only have a few that are doing okay. Apple, or Realty Income Corporation, and SCHD. But everything else is down. But the thing is, it doesn't really matter to me because these are dividend paying stocks, a good majority of these. So every month they'll still continue to pay me out, and that's why I'm okay with it. And having that additional money come into my account every single month has allowed me to invest a little bit more every single time. Since I'm only investing $300 every single month, the additional dividend income that's coming into my account is allowing me to have my account grow slowly. And I absolutely love that idea. You can see here that for right now, my all-time is now at $3,911.65. Okay, it's changing, but you get the idea. And now I'm at an all-time down of 9.28% or $400.36. So we'll see how this account goes over time, but overall I'm really liking it. Almost at the 4,000 mark. And you can see from the previous years and months that I've just been able to grow this substantially from 2021 all the way up to March 2022, where I stopped investing. And as I said before, go ahead and check out my previous videos. And then I let it just kind of slide over here until I reinvested again at the beginning of this new year, which was January 3rd. And once again, I invested here, which is February 1st. And we're just gonna let this thing grow and see how well it does. So that's my video update on this account. If you have any questions, any comments, please leave them down in the comment section below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can see what other videos I post that are related to this content. And on that note, I will see you all in the next video.